Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a FoodSaver. It's a vacuum sealing system. The model I've got comes with a bag cutter. You lay your roll of bag in there, slide them out, cut them off. Make any length bag you want. The new machines now, the bags are made into the vacuuming machine, some of them, the better ones. And you can buy accessories for your FoodSaver. This one is a vacuuming chamber for meat. You can put your liquid seasoning with it on your meat. Put your meat in there. That will vacuum out all your air in there, and once you vacuum the air out, the meat will actually swell up, opening the pores to the meat, allowing the seasoning to go in your meat. You take your bag, you can buy them in bulk, it's a whole lot cheaper. And the way this works, you've got a heat sealing strip here. What you want to do first, take your cut into your bag, either side, doesn't matter, either end, and you want to activate it, and then you've got an instant seal right here. That stops the vacuum and it actually heats the strip. And you release your vacuum, and that seals your bag. And when you get ready to put your item in here you're going to vacuum seal, you got a fluid catching strip. You've got to put your bag in the little slot that will hold your bag in the vacuum chamber. There you can see the little vacuum ports here on the ends. Now it's just the idea of filling your bags. Best to keep everything laying flat. Try not to wrinkle your bag over your strip. And that is perfectly airtight. That will keep for a long time. That is sweet. I've had food to keep up to 3 years in these bags. Meat, it doesn't matter. once you get the air out of them and keep them froze, does a good job. Well worth the money. And you can see the size bag that you can get with them. These are the smaller ones. One thing that's good about them, you can make them any size you want. We're just doing one little tomato. And you can do just one little small item. That makes it convenient. You want to pay attention whenever you use your sealer. This is actually a liquid tray too, because whenever you vacuum seal anything that's got a lot of moisture in it, it will pull the liquid into the machine. This will catch it. But they make a bag liner that goes between your food and your sealer. What I'll do, I'll just take a paper towel, put in between it, roll it up, stick it in there, and all the fluid will catch on the paper towel and not get in your machine. But that's made to be removed and washed. It's not no big deal. Unless it gets up into your motor, but it probably won't. This is a very easy way to go from here to here. Wintertime, you've got good homegrown tomatoes to put in soup, chili, whatever. They're not very good to eat like this because they will become mushy, but they're great for cooking. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching.